this way to the side as far as it goes. A little bit more. Yeah, so that's how it's a little stuck. Let's get this side too. A little bit better on rotation. So left rotation's a little restricted. Yeah, so with palpation, I can usually feel the vertebrae out of alignment if there's any type of irritation or some muscle spasms or trigger points in the area. So I check rotation like this. Let's come in real close for this one, my friend. So you're just gonna drop your head to the side. Just drop. Cool. Now come around this side, my man. Okay. Now just drop it here. Awesome. You like that?
Yes.
Seated cervical, my friend. This is what I do. I'm Dr. Max. Follow me at drmaxnyc on Instagram.